Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel. So today's video, I actually did a personalized brow tutorial for a friend, but I'm having trouble sending it through with my phone, so I might just end up having to upload it. So if I do, it's how I do my brows. It's a little bit geared towards her and maybe doing her brows a little different, but it's still a brow tutorial. So please enjoy, like, and subscribe. This is your personalized brow tutorial. I look like a toe. Don't judge me. I like to do my brows before, well, I do my foundation, then my brows, but I'm about to film. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So I take a spoolie, comb them up and out. So you want your brow to kind of line up with your inner corner. I bring mine out a little bit just because I want to separate my eyes some because my eyes are really close together. But I do notice yours go out a little too far. So if you would want to really shape your face, bring it in. And I don't know if that's how they naturally are, which is fine, or if it's from tweezing, which is also fine, but you can do some fake flicks up towards the front if you need. Let's see. Okay. So I think it was yours. I commented on NYX Brow Gel is my favorite. It is just my absolute favorite. I have a mixture in this Anastasia cap. Shit. Almost dropped it. Because I want to go a little bit darker right now. And since I bought this, I'm using it. I don't know if you've tried it. It's really expensive and it kind of smears on its own. Whereas the NYX Brow Gel, that shit stays on like a champ. So I love using like a used brush too, because it's nice and like molded. Like I barely wash this sucker, which is gross. And I just wipe it to get the point there. I don't like to bring my brow down too far because to me it sags my face. So you can try playing around with cutting it a little bit shorter right there just to see how you like it and just to see if it lifts your eyes a little bit. So see how that just starts defining it? And I know you said that, I have both my pets here and they're just wild. I know you said you got a powder that may have been a little too dark. So obviously find a color that works for you, that you like. And so I just fill in the ends first. It's a little bit easier for me right now because I did recently tint my brows. Oh my God, they're fighting. Because I did recently tint my brows with that. I don't know if you've watched that video, but so it makes, even though I still fill them in, it makes it a little easier to follow the shape that I like. So for you, as you start to get closer to the front, mine are kind of full right here. I don't know how they survived the early 2000s, but they did. The ends didn't. But just flick and make little brow strokes. And then for shits and gigs, like if you need to, just lightly get a little bit of product and just make some faux little, see how I brought that in, some faux hair. And you may not like real up close what it looks like, but don't even think about that because you can always, not you can always, because people shouldn't be looking at you that damn close for one, and take a step back and look at yourself. I always told my clients this because I do it too. You get so up in your grill and you're like, look at this wrinkle, look at that, or look, this is a little amiss. Just don't look that hard at it. There's no point to that, right? So just do what you can and making little brow strokes, making it cohesive, filling it in. And that's a brow. And then obviously, so I got like this old ass Avon brush that I've just been using for years. Honestly, you could probably even use something smaller. So you can take anywhere you mess up. I mean, you can literally paste it on like war paint because you can always clean up with concealer. And then you're good to go. And then you have a brow. And then like sometimes when mine get a little too long, I'll just take it. They're not today, but I'll take like that and I'll literally clip the end of my brow off because I want my eyes lifted, not drooping. I'm older, I got hooded eyes. And then it's just kind of fun. Like I tweeze the ends of my brows because I can do more of a straight brow. And since they're already so faint, if yours aren't, I don't know if you want to make that commitment, because if you tweeze, you know, too much, your hair may not grow back. But that's how I do a brow. Anyhow, I hope this helps you out, girl. Thank you so much for the support, and we got to work on our collab. Bye.